a lot of stuff when we move.
All right, we've got a press. This is my new favorite thing. You'll see soon what this does.
I can maybe lift it off. Yep.
Do the knife work?
First person point of view here. Look at that.
Yeah, they bolted it.
I think this shipper knows what they're doing.
And
Ah, casters. That's what I like to see.
yeah.
A little higher. You're good. Gotta try not to hit the stop.
That's it.
Probably good.
This is probably the best way to do this. All right. All right, y'all. We are in the new shop, and we have got the first tool in the shop. The first big tool, anyway. And we got lots of other tools, lots of other small tools in here, but we got our first big tool in. My 25-ton Pole Iron Works press. It is the nicest tool I've ever owned, I think. Got a foot pedal, got a nice controller on here that will set my bottom and top stops for the dies so I can get things right to the dimension I need them. It's got my name on it, that's important. This is gonna make me a lot of steel. It's gonna forge out a lot of Sanmai. This is all new. They've been making these with this controller on it, brand new. Super cool technology. I got to try it out at Blade Show. Awesome. So this switch is just magnetic. It pops off there. Put it anywhere you want. So if you're gigantic and you need the switch up here, then you can put it right there. If you want it down here because you're a midget, then you can put it right there. Or a short person. but I'll probably be using foot pedal most of the time. And I've got ladder dies. Very excited about that. And these, which will probably be on there the majority of the time, for drawing out and squaring up billets. Got your drawing dies here and your flattening dies. And then you have the extra thick flat dies right here. This one's longer for flattening right here, and this is just a shorter one, so you can just kind of take it in smaller chunks, more pressure distributed over a smaller surface area. It'll give a lot more pressure per square inch than this will, but this will get it nice and straight, this will get it really flat. The ultimate forging tool. I'm so excited to use this. Alright guys, just wanted to share that with you. Have a good day.